The MultiLink mechanical snap-on connector includes a trim diagram on each connector package. Included in the individual package is a 900 micron focation tube. The focation tube includes a beveled edge on one side to guide the 250 micron fiber into the tube. Also included is the connector boot, the snap-on connector with a dust cap, and a black clip used to reset the connector. First, slide the connector boot onto the fiber. For 250 micron fiber, add the focation tube. The focation tube is not used on 900 micron fiber. Remove the plastic clip from the connector. Remove the dust cap from the connector and connect a light source to it. When the light is turned on, the connector snap should illuminate brightly. Strip 2 inches of coating from the fiber end. Clean the fiber using wipes provided. When the fiber is clean, it will squeak and vibrate slightly in the wipe. Insert the fiber into the hand cleaver, aligning the coating between the 16 and 17 mm hash marks. Press the cleaver onto the fiber to score the fiber. Gently flex the tongue of the cleaver until the fiber snaps. Once the fiber has been cleaved, it should not be cleaned again. Insert the fiber into the connector until it reaches the head. The snap mechanism should dim slightly, indicating the light is being captured by the core of the fiber. Squeeze the snap mechanism until it clicks into the locked position. The connector will release an index matching gel to allow the light to pass from the fiber to the connector head. Slide the focation tubing into place. Slide the connector boot over the focation tubing and into position on the base of the connector. Remove the light source and replace the dust cap. Always clean connectors before attaching them to terminals or bulkheads.